Right, it's been a while since I've done a video, but I had someone message me on Instagram asking if I was planning on doing a video for centre caps, and it reminded me that I actually had a set sat in the garage, so these are the ones I'm going to be putting on. Now with the centre caps, I've seen the videos where you use double-sided tape, things like that, but I find with these ones on the Alphas, for some reason they are so tight, you've got to cause some damage to them to get them out. But obviously, I'm not worrying about keeping it in a good condition. I'm not going to use them later, I'm not saving them. Same with the front and rear badges, I'm just getting them out. And if there's anything I want to look after, it's the wheels, not the caps. Not worried about that. So I'm going to get it out with first a tool to make a hole in the centre, staying away from the wheel, and then one with a hook on it to get behind, pull it out, and then these ones just clip back into place. Make a hole. Get one behind that. Got a cloth and pocket. These can be a bit fiddly to get in because you sort of have to bend all the tabs around at the same time. As you get to the end, and there'll be like one sticking out, and you'll end up snapping it before it goes in. Like that. I didn't snap one, but you can see when that last sort of section just doesn't want to go. Sorted. So that's that, in my opinion. 10 times better than the ones with all the silver and green and that, which I find just the green and blue just clash. But yeah, sorted. That was best. Takes 2 minutes, like I say. Not worried about keeping it in any good condition. You're not going to use them again, and you know you're 100% staying away from the wheel. So sorted. If you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.